Borax kills ants by disrupting their digestive and metabolic processes after ingestion, leading to internal damage, dehydration, and eventual colony decline. When ants consume borax baits, the chemical interferes with enzymes in their gut that are essential for digesting sugars and other nutrients, so food moves through without being properly processed. This causes slow starvation even though the ant appears to have eaten normally. Borax also acts osmotically by drawing water out of tissues in the gut and hemolymph, which leads to dehydration at the cellular level, reducing mobility and physiological function over hours to days. Because worker ants typically carry bait back to the nest and share food via trophallaxis, the active compound is transferred to nestmates, including the queen, which spreads the effect through the colony. Use low-concentration baits so workers will consume and transport the mixture before feeling sick, typically around 1 to 2% borax by weight in a sugar or protein carrier depending on the target species. Make sure bait is placed where ants forage and sealed away from pets and children because borax is toxic if ingested in larger amounts. And avoid spraying insecticides near bait lines since that can repel workers and prevent bait uptake. For tougher infestations, change bait locations periodically and maintain cleanliness, so competing food sources do not dilute bait attractiveness. 3 common mistakes are using too high a concentration, which kills workers before they return to the nest, so reduce the borax ratio and test small placements until you see ants carrying it off. Another issue is placing bait in areas where water or rain will dissolve and remove the bait, so put baits in sheltered spots or inside shallow containers that keep them dry. People also expect immediate results and discard bait too early, but borax works slowly. Leave bait undisturbed for at least 1 to 2 weeks and monitor trails, replacing bait when it is consumed. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners locate local contractors and for contractors to find work that matches their skills. We also host a discussion community where users and pros share tips, ask questions, and discuss home pest control approaches like borax baits.